Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Exam Manifesto. In earlier videos, I covered important MCQs on GK for SSC GD Constable exam. As we all know that the exam will start from 16th November and it will be held till December 15, a month span. All of you must have downloaded the admit card. So, to speed up your preparation, today I am going to discuss 50 most important static GK and CA questions. I formed this model paper in line with the last year's question paper. Let's start without wasting time. Question number 1. 5G is the latest upgrade in the LTE mobile broadband networks. Full form of LTE is long-term evolution. Earlier we used VoLTE, that is the abbreviated form of voice over long-term evolution. And in terms of speed, 5G is almost 20 times faster than 4G. Besides, it is also necessary to know that South Korea targets to deploy the world's first 6G communication network within the year 2028. And China has already successfully launched 6G communication satellite. Question number 2. The Pangsau Pass Winter Festival is celebrated in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This pass connects Arunachal Pradesh to Myanmar and it lies on the crest of the Patkai Hills. Question number 3. Name the tiger reserve that has introduced India's first hot air balloon wildlife safari. And the answer is Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve, formerly known as Bandhavgarh National Park, which is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Question number 4. India's first ever lithium deposit site found in the Mandya district of Karnataka. Nowadays, economic importance of lithium is gaining momentum and lithium-ion battery is the most widely used battery in electronic gadgets like our smartphones, laptops, and it's also a key component for e-vehicles. So it's a very important question. Question number 5. Name the machine that is used for tuberculosis, HIV and COVID-19 testings. And this device is TrueNet. It is designed by a Goa-based firm, Molbio Diagnostic Private Limited. It was originally developed for tuberculosis detection and following the ICMR's approval, it has been used for novel coronavirus diagnosis. Question number 6. In which part of cell the glucose is converted to pyruvate? The answer is cytoplasm and this process is known as glycolysis. Question number 7. The Dutch founded their first factory in. This kind of question has been asked in the past years again and again. I repeat the question. The Dutch founded their first factory in Masaulipattam in Andhra Pradesh in the year 1605. Question number 8. How the Onion Got Its Lair is a book written by the author Sudha Murthy, a renowned author and also the chairperson of Infosys Foundation. Question number 9. Who was the first Indian to win a junior Wimbledon championship? The answer is Ramanathan Krishnan in 1954. And recently, Shamir Banerjee, the Indian origin American player, has won the junior Wimbledon title 2021 at men's single. Question number 10. RT-PCR test, a very popular test, is a test to detect COVID-19 virus. Here, PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction, reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction, and it can detect viral RNA. Question number 11. National Technology Day is observed on 11th May in remembrance of India's first nuclear bomb test in Pokhran in Rajasthan, which was known as Operation Shakti. Question number 12. Which Harappan site is famous for having large reservoirs and water harvesting structures recently included in the list of World Heritage Site? And the answer is Dholavira in Gujarat. Besides, we should know the fact that Rakhigari in Haryana is the largest Harappan site in our country. Question number 13. The deepest point of the Indian Ocean is? The answer is the Sunda Deep of the Java Trench. Question number 14. In which organ RBC, red blood corpuscles, are selectively destroyed or recycled by macrophages? And the answer is spleen. Spleen is a small organ that can fight invading germs in the blood. Question number 15. India's longest electrified rail tunnel is situated in Andhra Pradesh. It's a 6.6 kilometer long tunnel in length. Question number 16. The western and eastern point of Himalayas are Nanga Parbat and Namcha Barwa respectively. Question number 17. The most radioactive naturally occurring element is? Answer is radium. Question number 18. Which is the highest award for science and technology in India? It is Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, a renowned scientist's name, and it is given by CSIR, that is Council of Science and Industrial Research, and the award was initiated in the year 1958. Question number 19. The chairperson of Indian Paralympic Committee is? Currently Deepa Malik is the chairperson of Indian Paralympic Committee. She is also a renowned Paralympian. Besides this, Indian Olympic Association, the president of Indian Olympic Association is Dr. Narinder Batra, and Thomas Bach is the current president of International Olympic Committee. So we should remember these related matters also. This year we can expect a question from Tokyo Olympic or Paralympic 2020, because Indian contingents brought the highest ever medal this year. So we should study these questions. Question number 20. The scientific study of ancient civilization of prehistoric people and their culture is known as archaeology. And anthropology is the scientific study of humanity, human biology, societies and linguistics in both present and past. So let's not get confused about the two different things. Question number 21. Which viceroy suggested the construction of Victoria Memorial, a monument in Kolkata? It is suggested by Lord Curzon to the memory of Empress Victoria. Question number 22. Which state has the largest mineral reserves in India? Odisha has largest mineral reserve in terms of value of mineral production, followed by Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh. Question number 23. Name the folk dance which is performed without any musical instrument during Pongal festival in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The answer is Kummi. Next question, question number 24. Which organization has launched Operation Oliver, a well-known operation to conserve turtles, especially in Odisha coast? It is by Indian Coast Guard. Question number 25. How many pairs of cranial nerves are present in human body? There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves present in human body, and there are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. We should know both the facts. Question number 26. Blindness, that is cornea becomes opaque. Blindness due to ultraviolet radiations is called as snow blindness or photokeratitis. Question number 27. Kobe Bryant, a notable sports person, passed away in 2020. What sports he is known for? Kobe Bryant is a famous basketball player and he's nicknamed himself the Black Mamba, the KB24, etc. Question number 28. Alpine musk deer is the state animal of Uttarakhand, and alpine musk deer is an endangered species on the IUCN Red List. 29. What is the name of the virtual intelligence tool which can help in government's policy decision? The name of virtual intelligence tool is Tejas, and it is launched by IT and Communication Ministry. Question number 30. Which article envisages duties of Prime Minister in respect of furnishing information to the President? The answer is Article 78. Question number 31. What was the capital of Bahmani Kingdom of Deccan? The capital is Gulbarga, and this Bahmani Sultanate was founded by Alauddin Bahman Shah I. It is known for the famous war with Vijayanagar Kingdom. 32. Name the famous cave of Madhya Pradesh inside the Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary, a site of Paleolithic age. The answer is Bhimbetka. Question number 33. With which sport the term scoop is associated? The answer is hockey. Question number 34. Indian Army has inaugurated the first green solar energy harnessing plant in Sikkim. Question number 35. Red triangle is a symbol used to denote family planning. Question number 36. The headquarters of International Solar Alliance is situated at Gurugram, Haryana. It was founded at Paris and it's an international alliance of 124 countries. Question number 37. International Annie Award 2020 has been conferred to the renowned professor who got Bharat Ratna also, C.N.R. Rao. Question number 38. Which country will host 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup? India will host 2023 Men's Hockey World Cup in Odisha. Question number 39. Depsang Plain is a disputed area between India and China at the line of actual control, that is LAC. Question number 40. Ayodhya, an ancient city of India, was the capital of which kingdom? It was the capital of Koshala Kingdom and it was founded by Manu. Question number 41. Name the longest ever train that was operated by the Indian Railways in 2020. This is a 2.8 kilometer long freight train named Sheshnag. Question number 42. A pillar containing inscriptions from 3 different periods, that is the Mauryan period, the Gupta period and the Mughal period, is located at Prayagraj, formerly known as Allahabad, and this pillar was an Ashoka pillar. Question number 43. Nirvik, Niryat Rin Vikas Yojana, is a scheme related to insurance cover for exporter by implemented by Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India, that is ECGC, with a view to ease lending of loans and credit availability to small scale exporters. Question number 44. Name the first person who blasted off his own spaceship in 2021. Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Galactic, was the first person who has gone to space with his own spaceship, followed by the Tesla founder and SpaceX founder Elon Musk. Question number 45. In which UT India's tallest air purifier tower installed? I repeat, in which UT India's tallest air purifier tower installed? The answer is Chandigarh. Apart from this, we should remember the fact that New Delhi launched its first smoke tower in the country to combat air pollution. Question number 46. What is the name of India's first nuclear missile tracking ship? And the answer is INS Dhruva. Next question. Question number 47. Koo, a microblogging platform, nowadays it is becoming quite popular, was co-founded by Radhakrishna and Mayank Bidyavatka. Question number 48. Pashto and Dari are the official languages of Afghanistan. Question number 49. India's pencil village is located in Kashmir. It is the Auku village in Pulwama, and it contributes to 90% of pencil manufacturing in our country. Question number 50. Which article of Indian Constitution says that the Union would protect every state against external aggression and internal disturbance? The answer is Article 355. So that's all for the day. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And best of luck to all the aspirants. Thank you for watching.